शुक्रारा डॉन बॉस्को कॉलेज पणजीन कामाच्या थळार लैंगिक छळ या विशयाचेर व्याख्यान घडोवन हाडले। विद्यार्थ्यांमदी खास करून कामगारांमदी जागृताय करप हो ताचे फाटलो हेत। VM साळगावकार कायदो महाविद्यालयाचो उपप्राचार्य डॉक्टर किम रोच्या कुटोन अधिवेशनाचे फुडारपण करून कामाची सुरवात सुरक्षा आणि कायदेशीर संरक्षण हांचे कडेन संबंधित महत्वाच्या विशयाचेर भासाभास केली। डॉक्टर कुटोन कामाच्या थळार बायलांचो लैंगिक छळ कायदो 2013 आणि 2015 वर्साच्या UGC नियमा सयत मुखेल कायद्यांचो आस्पाव केलो। सुरक्षित आणि आदरयुक्त कामांचे वातावरण निश्चित करपा खातीर हे कायदे समजून घेवपाच्या आणि नॅव्हिगेट करपाच्या महत्वाचेर भर दिलो।
Okay, it was a very good initiative that Don Bosco College took. They have organized today an awareness session on the prevention of sexual harassment. So I spoke to the students today. I was asked to be the resource person, and I spoke to the students of the law, that is the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act of 2013. Along with that, I also gave them information about the UGC regulations of 2015. The act was of 2013 and the regulations were of 2015. So I have spoken to them about that. I am giving them an extensive understanding about how this law works, how important it is for women to be also reporting, because many women often think of quitting the job if they are being victims of sexual harassment. So this idea was to tell women that they should stand up for their rights. They have a right to a safe working environment. These awareness programs have to be done in all organizations, in all colleges, schools also, so that everyone is aware about how they should be respecting. Basically, this all boils down to respect for the other person, especially when it comes to women. Many times this doesn't happen, so gender discrimination is quite common sometimes. So we have to understand to give the woman her due respect. So sexual harassment prevention, these awareness talks are very important to be conducted.
Today we had a seminar, a sort of regarding prevention of sexual harassment at workplace, wherein we had called vice principal of VM Salgaonkar College of Law to create an awareness session for students of Don Bosco College, Panjim, regarding prevention of sexual harassment at workplace.
This awareness session is conducted for all the first year students, which we academically perform every year. So the primary motive is to make sure that the students, once they pass out with their graduates, once they pass out and enter the industry, they are aware of how the work culture and how the workplace needs to be conducted. So we are holding these awareness sessions so that we give a good citizen output from our institute.
So the session was really informative. We got a lot of knowledge about the prevention of sexual harassment at the workplace, and there were a lot of stuff that we did not know about, like the POSH Act. And organizing this was a pleasure, as we also got to know a lot about how such talks work, and it was really a big pleasure to have Dr. Kim Rosha as our guest.
गोवा 365 खातीर मनीष परब आनी सानिका नागवेकर।